Right, so this is going to be quite a long video, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So this is a Scouse accent, and this is from people from Liverpool. Then we're going to move over to like Essex. Like a lot of people say, actually, that when I do this accent, I sound like Adele. I don't really know if I do, but and I don't actually know where Adele is from. But I've heard that, you know, that's what she sounds like when she talks. Then we're going to go right up to the top of the country to Scotland. And a lot of people say that I sound like Lorraine Kelly. Again, I don't know. But when I do my Scottish, when I do any accent, actually, it's from somebody that I know. So like when I go down to Newcastle upon Tyne, like this is my mate Norm, and I learned my Geordie accent from him. My Scottish one I learned from my mate Jerry. Now I'm going to go to Standard British. Gosh, jumping around quite a lot. I call this Standard British because I need to name things, and because this is a bit of a meh accent, I just call this Standard British. And then if you switch that up a little bit, you turn that into British RP. So it's a little posher. And if you go down the country a little bit, you head down to like West Country, sort of like Bristol, that sort of way. Then you go right down Devon, like Devonshire accent, all the way down the bottom. So like down Plymouth, and then you go all the way down to Cornwall and pasties and all that sort of stuff, you know, like then back up. We could go to Wales. I love a Welsh accent, Mia. When I learned my Welsh accent from a girl called Sylvia Rees. That's where my Welsh accent comes from. I never forget, actually, I was lost in Wales once, and I come to this roundabout, and I was like, oh my God, where am I going? And this guy said to me, what you do is you go down the road, and when you get to the roundabout, you take a right. I just couldn't believe it. I did not know that it was called a roundabout. I loved it. So where else can we go in England? Oh my God, Yorkshire, all right, you know, Down Pit and all that, you know. I think it's difficult actually because I'm doing it off the top of my head, like, you know. So I haven't got like a list of accents in front of me. So yeah, Yorkshire, and then you could go down to Birmingham. So a lot of people, right? This is my stepdad talks like this, so that's where this accent's come from. So when you're listening and you're going, we don't sound like that. Well, you actually, you don't sound like that, but I know people that do sound like this. Okay, so that's all the English accents I can think of off the top of my head, like, you know. I want you to have a fabulous day. It's Friday. Have a fabulous weekend. All right. All right, Duck. Take care, guys. Catch ya.